Hello everyone, today I'm gonna try to perform our circuit for the midterm exam. So for the equipment, we'll be using a 7411 triple N gate and a 7408 N gate and two different colored LEDs. We would also be using a 360 ohm resistor and connecting wires and our 5-volt power supply and also our breadboard. So let us try to build the experiment. So I have finished building the circuit for our midterm exam. Note that the blue light represents the coffee output, while the red light represents the tea output. Blue light represents X, red light represents Y. So let us try to fill the tables. Upon connecting all inputs to the ground, not one of the LED lights up. Upon connecting input C to the source, the LED does not light up. Upon connecting input B to the source, none of the LEDs light up. Upon connecting input A to the source, none of the LEDs light up. Upon connecting inputs B and C to the source, the red LED lights up, meaning that Y is 1 and there is a T output. Upon connecting inputs A and C to the source, with input B to the ground, only the blue LED lights up, meaning that X is 1 and there is a coffee output. Upon connecting inputs A and B to the source, none of the LED lights up. Upon connecting all the inputs to the source, only the blue LED lights up. These are some important reminders before proceeding with our conclusion. Note that the A represents the coffee button, B represents the tea button, C represents the coin slot, X represents the coffee output, Y represents the tea output, the blue LED represents the coffee output, and the red LED represents the tea output. These are the conclusions for our experiment. The coffee output X can be written as X is equal to A B prime C plus A B C. Upon simplifying the equation through Boolean algebra, the equation can be written as X is equal to AC. For the T output Y, the equation is written as Y is equal to A prime BC. it was observed that there is an output for coffee when only inputs A and C have values of 1, and when all inputs A, B, and C have values of 1. On the other hand, there is a tea output when only inputs B and C have values of 1. Therefore, a coffee output is produced when and only when the coffee button is pressed and the coin slot is triggered, or when the coffee and tea button are pressed together and the coin slot is triggered. On the other hand, a tea output is produced only when the tea button is pressed and the coin slot is triggered. So that is it for our experiment for our midterm exam in Digital Electronics Laboratory.